I mean, shit, if they'll do it, they'll do it today. Because shit, touching that range right there means death for the market. And I think they're gonna want to avoid that. Hey, what's up, Alfred? Man, I know better next time though. Yeah, we only see aggression from the Bears when they're trying to get in the way. Everybody's now set on going to all-time highs, and the Bears just getting in the way of that. That's all they're doing here. They're not doing anything else other than that. Yeah, that's too far. That's too far down. I would have to accept a loss if we do see a push and just re-enter. Yeah, that's too. Yeah, that's too far. Okay. No, that's my fault. I should have waited. I shouldn't have chased the Nasdaq as per fucking usual. I shouldn't have chased her. I should have waited for this retest, but I figured that it was about to go. That's my fault. Mm. Mm. Yeah, we don't have any news today except for FOMC minutes at 1 o'clock. I don't even understand why that. Like, what the fuck? Man? All right, I'm kind of getting tired of this website. Yeah, so we got FOMC at 1 o'clock Central Time. That's all we got today. Other than that, uh, I think the market is trying to now make an attempt to go for all-time highs now. I think this is the push to see that. All right, so we got that first target hit. Here, okay, so that second target's hit. Cool. I grabbed the wrong fucking strategy. Let me see if I can kind of get away with this. This is kind of risky. Buying it up like this. I didn't mean to get out of that position though. I just grabbed the wrong strategy. So I'm just gonna. It's a dangerous scaling though for sure. Well, not dangerous. It's risky. I was buying it as it was going up, and I would never, or I wouldn't recommend doing that unless you're willing to take some drawdown, potential drawdown. But I think we're gonna make our way back up though. So I'm confident in that at least. Because based on yesterday's price action, even though I was in this short, I was in this short at 165, looking for a break of this level right here. We didn't get it. I was blinded by bearphoria. A break of this level would mean the meanest stop run, and I blinded myself to that. And I didn't notice, or I didn't want to notice, that it double bottom in this range, and we got this massive bounce at the end of the day. So that tells me that if price comes back down in this range another time, it's not going to hold. It's highly, highly unlikely that it's not going to hold. And so if they break this level, then that means that they want to break this level too, and that we're going lower. But I believe the market's objective now is to make an attempt, a clean attempt to go for all-time highs now. But on the Nasdaq, we probably might get to like 370, 380, 390, 400 probably at the max, and then we'll probably see like a rejection or something. That's what I'm projecting. That's what I'm looking out for. Obviously, the market can do whatever the hell it wants, but that's what I'm looking for. They don't really make that. There's trailing stops on these. What's up, Investor Z? Yeah, I know, right? These rainbow bears definitely earn their name. The only time they show aggression is when they're trying to get in the way, being rainbow. Like, get out of the way. You know what's happening. Get the hell out of the way. Short that supply. Don't be shorting that demand. Now, these bears be going hard in demand, dude. It's crazy. Like, they go hard in demand. You know? And they be soft up there in supply. Like, my God. Look how they quit. Look how they fucking quit, man. All they had to do was break that shit yesterday. Fucking quitters. But they be going hard in demand, though. They'll go hard in it. So they go hard in the paint. They go hard in demand. All right. So that's definitely a trend line test right there. Let's see if the Bulls are most likely going to hold. And see, that's what I'm talking about. That was a risky freaking long up there. But I thought she had more in her. Apparently not. All right, man. That's a good sign for bulls right there. That's a good sign right there. We can pop back above 200, 190, 195, 200. Bulls should be good. We should see a stop run, but if the Bears hold this crap, then there you go. There goes your stop run. There goes your stop run. So they just got to hold this now. You see what I'm talking about? How aggressive the Bears are in demand? It's the only time they get freaking aggressive, man. And I hate it. Like, it's not even fun being a Bear no more. Like, it really isn't. It's not fun taking shorts. It's not fun being a Bear. Their psychology is just all over the place, just to get in the way, but don't really accomplish anything. The Bulls have been on a mission since last year. Mm. Mm. Fucking Bears, dude. Fucking Bears. Fucking bears, dude. All right, so we got the 9 o'clock algo coming up in 5 minutes. Mm. Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up, Game Weight, Night Fart? Irish Wolf. We don't have any news until about 1 o'clock. We don't have any news until 1 o'clock. It would kind of be nice if the Bears would just get the F out the way, like for real. Because I'm playing right now. I hit daily lost something on one of my accounts. I don't even know how the fuck I did. Well, getting in, I guess, too early. I guess, whatever. Fucking Bears, dude. Fucking Bears. Mm. I mean, shit. I mean, I doubt it, but I mean, the Bears is making it sure feel like it, like they're trying to break. But I doubt it though. Mm. All right, man. I know the FOMC minutes ain't that. I mean, it's not that damn scary. Come on, people. Thank you. Like, fuck, man. I mean, he wasn't tricking nobody with that fake drop right there, man. But these bears are just being super freaking aggressive. Like, as soon as they pop it, they're trying to sell. They're selling into it, trying to break this level. Ah, shit. Well, Shit. The Bulls hit him with a bullish engulfing. The Bears hit him with a bearish engulfing. All right, man. All right. Nice. Nice one. I mean, how many times y'all gonna try to how many times they're gonna run this level right here? They ran this level so many fucking times already. It's like, damn. Yeah, one fucking day, man. Uh, mm, mm. Wow, bro. Wow. 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 Oh. Ugh. Like, dude, that literally gave up 2K. Like, dude, what the fuck, man? The fuck? I don't know where this fucking going, man. I mean, shit, if they break this range right here, man, that shit's done, man. Well, shit, the Bears is doing a really good job right now. Shit, bastards. God damn, yo. Mm. They're doing a really good goddamn job. Bastards. Yeah, I mean, I figured that there's going to be liquidity at the top of this range because, I mean, if we test 101 again, the market's going down. The one thing that I'm kind of upset about is, and I keep doing this, and I just don't understand why. I just keep allowing my bias to get in the way of the charts. Last night when I was looking at it, I was like, there's no way that they hold the top again. There's no way. I mean, these bulls have been super aggressive. There's no way that the bears is going to step in. And then to my effing surprise, the bears actually stepped in. I'm just so sick and tired of playing this game with bears, man. I'm just so sick and tired of them, man. Just tired of that game that these bears freaking play. Is are they going to come back in resistance or not? And I missed a good trade this morning because of it, because they actually stepped up. And shit, you just don't ever know when they're going to actually follow through, when they're going to hold the rotation. Are they going to hold it this time? Man. All right, man. The Bulls, I mean, the Bears are doing a good job holding it. Like every time the Bulls are popping it up, the Bears are right there to short into it. I know the FOMC minutes ain't that crucial. I mean, it's not that damn important. We already know what Powell's not going to do. That man's made it very clear that he does not want to cut rates. I mean, shit. God, it's not that serious. We should know that by now. That's a really good trade because of this crap, man. Yeah, it would have been fucking nice, honestly. It would have been nice, but yeah, I mean, I don't think so, but 'cause, I mean, if they knock it down here, that means that they want to go lower. And then I have to ask myself, is that what the market wants? Does it want to go lower? I mean, we got a hidden channel right here, so yeah, we gotta watch out for this right here. But Marquise, you said that you're shorting at 150. I mean, yeah, I can see why. I mean, I can see why. I mean, we do got that trend line overhead, so we'll see. If we can get above 165 and find support, then we're going to make that rotation higher. If we get to 165 and we see a rejection there, then it's highly likely that the market is going to continue to go lower. Smith is telling me that he's trying to lose money. I told him, shit, you know exactly where to go if you're trying to do that. Shit, you're in the wrong instrument. You're trying to lose money. Okay. He's in a silver trade right now. And every time he's trying to lose a little bit of money to stay consistent, silver is just going in going in his way. And I told him, shit, I'm trying to make money and shit, I'm fucking losing it. Let's switch places. God damn. Trying to make money. Here I am trying to and losing it. GG's, Bears. GG's. Y'all got it today. Apparently, y'all stepping up today. Apparently. Why? Don't know. But y'all stepping it up today. So GG's. Core W. So are you telling me or are you asking me? So it says it's like a hammer. When it tests a support or resistance, gets touched, right? So more time it touches, becomes weaker or stronger, or it doesn't matter. It's a combination of both or of all three. It's a combination. It really depends on the context of the market and the market's objective. If a area is going to hold or not. Right now, this red box surrounding this range, if the market wants to go lower, then it needs to break this level. This level is highly unlikely to hold if it gets touched again. So if the market's objective is to go lower, then it's going to break this level. If the market objective is to not go lower, then it's not going to go anywhere near this range. Or at least 102, because that's actually the level that if it touches and breaks, we will see a stop run. We will see a stop run at that level. And it will be nasty. Nasty. And it's going to be hard for the market to recover from that. It's going to be hard to recover from that. So we can see a move all the way back down to like 2280. 60, 22K. We can see a nasty move down if it breaks that level. I mean, yeah, we can see a move. Yeah, 22K, about 21.9. It's gonna get nasty underneath that range. So the bulls better hold this shit. Their market objective is to get to all-time highs. Excuse me. But that's at least how I see support and resistance. Always that first test is the best test. I mean, I'm pretty sure you've heard that. The first test is always the best test. That's the most highly probable trade is that first test. That second test depends on if the market's completed its objective. Like as an example, let's just say that the market's objective is to get to this range right here. Actually, let me just. So if the market's objective is to get to this range and we get here and we see a pullback, then it's highly likely that the bulls will buy it again until they get to their objective. Once they get to their objective and we see a rejection, then the level is unlikely to hold again because the bulls already completed their objective. They're taking their profits. So there's no need for them to hold up this range anymore, and they can get lower prices. Let the bears sell it. Let the bears have their funds. They're selling out of their positions, so they're happy. And once they get to a lower area of demand, they'll buy it back up again. And the game continues, and it continues to play over and over and over again. And that's basically the market. Right now, my assumption is that the market's objective is to take out all-time highs. And so it is a biased. I will bias. I will say that that bias did. I cheated myself out of a good short this morning because of it, just for it to super freaking work. But at the same time, bears are just weak. So I really don't trust short setups anymore. And unfortunately, today, I took my first loss in that damn account right there, which that kind of hurt my feelings. I took my first loss in that account. I was perfect until today, and that's why I don't like bears. I don't like y'all. I don't like y'all. I'm playing. But it just would have been nice to, because I mean, it's like when the market is shorting, it doesn't feel that way. And that's kind of why I just hate taking shorts now, because it doesn't feel like, yeah, we're in a short. It still feels like as the market is trending down, the bulls are still in control. Yeah. No problem. No problem, Core W. Yeah. All right. I guess I'm just not gonna win today. I mean, if I get stopped out of this one, I'm just gonna have to walk away today because I'm already halfway tilt. I'm already there. So I'm just gonna have to walk away, or I'm gonna blow the account. Out of all days for this crap to happen, it had to happen on this one. It's like I don't know. That's something else that I've noticed. Like every day, like on the last day of something, like if I need like a couple of more dollars to get a payout, or if I need a couple more dollars to get a damn past the eval, That's when the market starts to trade like this. And it's like, God damn, why are you doing this? It's every day on the freaking last day, like smooth sailing, consistent good trades. It's not heart attack inducing or nothing. Not saying that your trade should feel that way, but as an example. And then it gets to that last day where it's like, man, I just need $500 more and I pass the account, or I need $500 more and I can get a payout. And then the market does this bull crap. Damn, Alfred. Yeah, shit. I mean, if I wasn't streaming, I probably would have did the same thing. But today, probably I would have. Man, I just hate that, dude. I just hate it. I 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 hate it. All right, so I mean, we can see what happens, man. We can see what happens at 140, 165. You can see that it was resistance. I mean, support. Then they broke structure to the downside. So let's see if the bears are going to come and try to hold it. I do see the 200 EMA right there. I do see VWAP right there. We'll see, man. We'll see. I need to make 5K in this account. Like I already told myself that I'm not stopping until I get the 5K. I need 5K in this account. Honestly, I probably might go to 6,500. I need to make 6,500 actually. Shit. Because I wish y'all Bears had this same strength yesterday, man. When I needed it. Yeah, because as I was telling everybody last night, I felt like the Nasdaq. Like, I mean, I don't know, man. It was frustrating because I mean, we was in right here. We was halfway at the target. The Bears break it down, and then at the end of the day, just to throw it in my face, they go all the way to my target at the end of the day. that was very frustrating because this is all I needed, and they did that shit at the end of the day. And I'm trying to figure out, like, looking at the price action now, it's like, I mean, why did they do it? I mean, why not finish the rotation, drop it, and then pump it back up? Well, I mean, why did they do that? No, I need 6,500. Like, I mean, 5K ain't enough. It's not enough. I need 60. Damn. No, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take the 4 off right there. I'm gonna take it off at VWAP because they probably might just push it. You said it's expensive to pay for the fees. Dennis, are you trading a personal account or are you trading a prop account? You said 350Ks. And oh, if you're talking about expensive, are you talking about Top Step? Are you trading with Top Step? I think Top Step is the only one that still has the activation fees at the end of it, for real. Which props are you trading, Dennis? Yeah, I should have did that shit too, man. Yeah, I agree with that, Marquise. Yeah. These Bears are just super weak. And come on. Come on. I mean, I know that they're gonna try to sell it here, but You see what I'm talking about? Bears only get in the way. That's all they do. Oh shit, man! Damn it! All right. Actually, I don't know. I might need one more. I might need one more. All right. So I just needed to hit that target right there, and I'll pass the account. I need about what was that 22? So I needed $800. Three. Yeah, that should be. Hmm. I wonder. And that's how much I needed right there. That's exactly how much I needed right there to pass the account. Right there. That's what I need right there. So I should have went short. All right. And that's probably like a pullback. Pass this account, and then I'll have about like 3 funded accounts in reserves. I need to keep track of my funded accounts too, just in case. 'Cause I mean, I don't plan on blowing none of my accounts, my funded accounts. Don't plan on it. And they'll stay on ice for a while. I just want to make sure I keep track of how many I have, just in case they try to pull some bullshit like you don't got no accounts in reserve. I don't think they would, but I'm not gonna sit here and trust nobody to keep up with something that I should have kept up with, or that I should keep up with. All right, baby, come hit them targets, baby. Take me to the promised land. All right, so I mean, VWAP might be an area where they take profits. I keep finding myself in this situation too. Come on, baby. Give me what I want. Give me what I want. Give me what I want. Oh, you trade Lilu? Says you need 130 per account with a 50K? Yeah, I mean, hold on. MFF have 50Ks for $90 with no activation fee. Let me pull that up. I mean, that's kind of expensive. Shit, where's my browser? Actually, let me just pull it up first, just in case. I mean, yeah, you can trade whatever you want. I mean, but I mean, if you want a cheaper option, MFF is $90 for their 50Ks, $97 for their starters, 200 for their expert, $400 for their and a starter plus 127, which is about the same price that you're paying now. So I trade the starter. That's all I trade. I've had plenty of playoffs with this. I feel that the consistency rule on the funded side keeps me getting paid out, because if there's no rules, shit, the skies is the damn limit. If the skies is the limit, then shit, I want the fucking sky. I want the sky. I want it. And I will admit that, that's kept me from some payouts. Damn, girl, you don't want to see me win? You don't want to see me win? Like that? You don't want to see me win, huh? Okay. I see how it is. Okay. Push this down a little bit. All right. Account passed. Account passed. Cool. All right. Account passed. All right. So let's see how my other account is doing. All right. So I'm up 5K. I need 6,500 in this account to make up for what happened yesterday. I'm sorry. I can't take that. I can't. I need 6,500. That target is for all the fallen accounts that these rainbow bears got in the way of. That's what that target represents. I'm gonna need that target. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that target. Yeah. All right, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go, baby. Hit that target. Yo, what the fuck? Oh my god, dude. What? Whatever, dude. All right, so we playing that game. Let's see. It missed me by 3 points. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Hit that target. Hit the target. Oh my god, dude. Yo, nobody can say that the Nasdaq does not have a personality because that she does. She does. How nasty is that? How nasty was that? Am I going to touch it? Am I going to touch it? Am I going to feel it? Am I going to feel it? How nasty was that, dude? How nasty was that? God. All right. I reached my goal. Now I can trail this thing. I said I was making 6,500 goddamn dollars and I made that shit. That's how you speak shit into existence. That's how you do it. You speak it into existence. I'm making 6,500 goddamn dollars, damn it. And you're going to give it to me. That's how we fucking do that shit. Let's go. Let's go, baby. 6,500, man. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. 6,500. I said I'm getting 6,500. God damn it, I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I don't even think I got any more accounts to trade. I don't think I got no more accounts to trade. I think that's it. I think I'm done. Hmm. I hate the fact that I only have to make a little bit of money. Like I said, I hate that shit with the funded accounts, man. All right, so it's saying that I have a trade. You know what? I don't think no, if I do that, then I'll cancel all of my so I just have to find it. Where is it at? Oh. But like I said, I mean these funded accounts, this consistency rule on the funded side, it keeps me getting paid out. Cause I would have been in this shit. I ain't gonna lie. I would have been in it. Actually, if I was in that trade that I was in this morning, I would have got stopped out. Because originally when I took this trade in this account, I saw that it was about to bounce here. So I mean that shit was fast too. As soon as I took the trade, this thing just shot up and filled me. I was like, dang, all right, cool. But I would have targeted this range. I'm not gonna lie. And this pullback would have kind of gave me confidence. It would have been like, oh shit, they're buying the retest here. Actually, never mind. I'm on the wrong instrument. My bad. I'm on the wrong instrument. I bought this right here on the earlier in the day. It was like 6 or where was it at? It's like 6 o'clock. Okay, so actually, never mind. I take that back. I take it back. This is where I went long, and it actually did fill my target because this is what this I was targeting this range. I take that back. I made a mistake. And this thing was fast. As soon as I got into this thing just shot up to it, and I was like, cool. Cool. All right. I'll take it. The Nasdaq don't really give you too many trades like that, so I'll take it. But if I stayed in this thing thinking that it was going to go a little bit higher, yeah, I would have been so upset because that obviously it didn't. Obviously. Yeah. Yeah, that shit just sucks, man. That shit sucks. All right, so I got that. And I'm still waiting on this one though. I'm still waiting on this account to be profitable. All right. All right, so let's see what they do here. Let me get out of this account before I make a mistake. Yeah, I hit daily loss summon in this account. Hey, are these accounts going? Actually, I do have one more account. I do have one more account. All right, so I'll see what they do at a retest of this because I mean this could be a two-legged pullback into resistance. I mean, depending on how you want to look at it. I mean, it could have be something like this into resistance, but then at the same time, that's actually trending. Okay, actually, never mind. I lie. That's trending. You got higher highs and you got higher lows. That's trending. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. I take that back. So I want to see like a I honestly, all right, so this is what I would do, man. I'm gonna set a limit here. I'm setting a limit here. I mean, we have this support right here. We have trend line support right here. I'll take it. I'll take this. I'll take this long right here. I'll try. I'll try right here. Mm. I appreciate that knife art. I ain't going short today. Yo, congratulations on that, Investor Z. Yo, congratulations anybody that was able to make money in this crap, cause all right, I'm in. I'm in, baby. I think my stop is at a good spot. That's definitely a good area for my spot, my stop. Cause I mean, if they do break it down, then yeah. So that's a good spot right there. They always seem to do that crap though. I'm putting it at 40. And I'm gonna scale in where they're gonna stop me out at. 166. So the Nasdaq likes doing that stupid crap. 148 is where they would have stopped me out. So I'm gonna scale in at that area. And then take everything off right there. I just have a 27-point stop in this. 166 minus 27. All right. NQ, I know your tactics, man. You don't scare me. I know your stupid tactics at this point. I study you. I stay up all night thinking about you. I'll learn your ways. My girl heard that. She probably would have bust in. You studying somebody else. You should be studying me like that. Oh yeah, she definitely does gain weight. The Nasdaq is definitely a goddess that requires sacrifice. You have to give to get. You know what? I mean, if this works out, I'm just gonna just shake my head and be like, yeah. I mean, this is what doing your homework on the Nasdaq does. Because the Nasdaq loves doing that. Like she loves breaking levels that everybody's in at, taking your stops, and then going in your direction. And I was able to discover that. I mean, you don't really need to. I mean, you experience that in the trenches. She'll show you that in the trenches, but if you do your homework over the weekend with the Nasdaq and see how often she does this crap, it's like, yeah, let me just scale in where my stop would be at, watch her come and fill it, and then go in a direction I can make more money. There we go. NQ, you're so predictable. I know people are mad right now. I know they're mad right now. They're like, yo, what the fuck? They're like, what the fuck? I just got stopped out. Go check your local Discord forum, your chat. Man, I can't believe you just stopped me out and just went in my direction. That's the Nasdaq for you. Nasty Nasdaq. That's a Nasdaq. Hmm. You got some. Nah, Gangway, I don't believe you. Nobody called you. No, they was calling you earlier today. And it was like, yeah. Them phones silent right now. They silent right now. You ain't getting no replies. What was that shit you was talking earlier? Yeah, you see them shorts? Yeah. They ain't calling you right now. They ain't saying nothing to you right now. They sweating. They're like, ah, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, they thought you went short. They tried to invite you in. It was like, oh, never mind. Never mind. Bears are petty, dude. They'll be losing and they'll be silent. And then once they winning, they'll call you up. Like, how about them longs that you was in earlier? How about them longs? Oh my God, bears are funny. Bears are funny. How about them longs? But back on a serious note, the one thing that no the mistakes that I was making today for sure was not waiting for a price to come to these levels, having the market come to me and versus me chasing it. I would say that that was a mistake that I was making today, just chasing the market every freaking where. Hmm. Hey, what's up, Gif? We're up about like 12K right now across accounts. I'll show it to y'all guys. Actually, never mind. I did, unfortunately, I did hit daily loss limit in one of my accounts today. My first loss. But this is what we did today. I hit daily loss limit in this account, but that's how I'm doing so far today. And someone asked me, I think Carlos asked me, do I copy trade? Days like today, this is why I don't copy trade. I can have a bad day in one account, but hey, I mean, I understand the Nasdaq requires sacrifice. You need to give one of your accounts so your other ones can flourish. But I don't need to have a bad day and then it's being copied across multiple accounts. And then I'm just, shit, I'll go super tilt. Because instead of losing one account, I hit daily loss limit in 10 or 5 or how many I'm copy trading. The only instrument that I will ever copy trade is the ES. I will not copy trade Nasdaq. She moves too much to be copied. Honestly, I really don't. In my opinion, and this is my opinion, I really don't see the need to copy trade Nasdaq because she moves enough to the point to where if you hit a maximum daily profit in one account, you can go to the next one and do the same thing instead of trying to get them all done at the same time. It's unnecessary on the Nasdaq. It's necessary on the ES though. It is super necessary on the ES because I was in this trade. So I took this trade in two of my funded accounts. I took this trade in the Nasdaq and instantly got my target hit and made my $600 for my consistency rule. I took the same trade on the ES and I'm still in that shit. I'm still in it. I'm still in that shit. I don't like the ES no more, man. I'm still in this shit. I took this trade at 6 o'clock and I'm still in it. And it's like, what? It's 10 o'clock. I'm in this trade for 4 hours and it's only made 200. Like, I just put my my target all the way up here because I was like, man, I'm still in this shit, man. I mean, I took some drawdown too. I took about, so I'm in at 36. I took 6 points in drawdown and I'm still in this shit. I think it missed my target. It missed my original target by a point. By a fucking point, man. Pissed me the fuck off, man. That shit missed me by a point. And that's kind of why, I mean, that's why the ES, that's the only account that I will copy trade. You kind of have to be perfect in it. And at the same time, I mean, it's the ES. I mean, I already know that, man. I'm on, no, I gotta do this. It's the fucking ES. But you can catch 20 points and make $1,000 on one contract on the ES. That's why it's like, okay, so if you're an ES trader, copy trading makes the most sense. If you're a Nasdaq trader, good luck. I mean, you can get lucky, but if you need to trade over a span of multiple days, and all it takes is one day for the Nasdaq to snatch up your account. That's all it takes is one day. That's all it takes is one fucking day. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely let this one ride a little bit. I'm gonna let it ride. Yeah, Griff can trade. That's exactly true. I mean, that's why I try to stick with the ES in my funded account, but the Nasdaq or Siren Song, I get tempted. I saw the setup early this morning. I would have been mad if it didn't work out, but I'm just glad it did. So I try to just stay just with the ES because there's just so much room for error with the ES. I have a lot more room for error in the ES and the Nasdaq. I can lose about 11 points and only be down $500. And that's usually the strategy, or usually that is the strategy that I run in my funded accounts is a 1-to-1 11-point target. Either it's going to hit my target or it's going to hit my stop. If it hits my stop, I'm going to the NQ and she's going to give me all my money back plus. Because if it hits my stop on the ES, 9 times out of 10 the Nasdaq is at demand. Because I'm not getting in an ES trade unless I'm at demand in the first place. So if it breaks that and it stops me out, then that means the Nasdaq is 9 times out of 10 in demand and she's going to move about 100 points. And that's 2K. And I just lost 500. So I need to make that 500 back plus. And I can easily get that back in what, 50 points? 50 points, 60 points. Just need 60 points. And 60 points at demand ain't nothing. The Nasdaq will run 60 points. I think this is 60 points right here, if I'm not mistaken. So let's do the math on that. So 178. She ran the 60 points I would have needed. She hit it. So that's usually the strategy that I run in my funded. If I get stopped in ES, I'm going to Nasdaq and I'm getting my money back. All right. So kind of going back to this trade. I mean, we are kind of at we are kind of right here. I don't like that the market is kind of stalling right here. I don't like it. I don't like it. Uh, because technically the bears broke the trend. Technically. Technically they broke it. Technically. It took out this low right here. So they technically broke it. We'll see what happens. We'll see if the market begins to range right here. I'm not surprised by that. We'll see. All right. All right. There goes that target. There we go, babe. We just got one more target for it to hit. We got one more target. All right. Peace. Oh shit. Okay. My bad. My bad. My bad. I'm tripping. All right. Peace out. Peace out. I'm tripping. I'm gonna trail this. I forgot. I gotta stay within. I forgot. Forgot. I forgot. Forgot. Man. Ugh. Man. Ugh. Damn it. Damn it. Damn. All right. I forgot I have to stay consistent. I kind of made too much money, but I'm not gonna lose it. All right. So we made a lot of money today, for sure. We definitely made a lot. Shit, I think we have like 14, 15K today. Or 15K. Yeah, so right now we're up 15K right now. I lost $3,800 in one account, so I mean, if we want to take that away. So right now I'm just up 10. We made 15K today. I think that's a good day. We had a fallen account today. Yeah. Unfortunately, it was sacrificed so the other accounts can flourish. Unfortunately. Actually, let me look at this, man, because I really want to keep going in. Like I really wanted to keep going in that other account. Shit, when you're trading on tilt, nothing is enough. Like I lost an account and I feel like, dude, I feel like I want to keep trading to, well, I didn't lose it. It hit daily loss limit, but I lost its perfect streak in that account. And I want to get revenge. Like I want to keep trading. I want to get as much money as possible, but it's not going to fill that hole that I feel. And that's why trading on tilt is so dangerous because I'm trying to fill a hole right now. Pause. God. Oh, actually, no, I'm trying to fill the hole right now. That's not a pause moment. I'm trying to fill the hole right now. That's damn near perfect in that account too, man. Fuck. Ugh. All right, so I want to see how much money I can make today, so I can stay consistent, so I can get a payout when it's time to get a payout. Mm. Gateway, I don't believe you. I don't believe you, Gangway. Bears never forget. We never forget. Actually, let me just do this shit right now. I got 15 minutes anyway. I got 15 minutes. I mean, all in all, I mean, today was, I mean, it was a good day, I guess. Um, they must ain't calculated my loss from yesterday. Because I know I took a loss in this account yesterday. Yeah, I was about to say, I know I took a loss in this account. Or maybe yeah, okay. I was like, dude, I know I took a loss. Hmm. All right. All right, so we're back above that trend. I guess we can get into the sim for the last 15 minutes. We don't end early. We show up on time and we leave late. So that's how the fuck we do. All right, so I mean, let's see if we can get a pullback back into this area right here. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Because obviously the Bulls are obviously they're back above the support trend line, so the Bears just failed. But I mean, I do see that we are coming up to the top of this range, so we'll see if the Bulls will hold it. We'll see. Job ain't finished. Job ain't finished. All right, let's see. Let's see. uh, I think one of the things that makes the trade in the Nasdaq very challenging is not waiting. Because let's just be honest, uh, if I had this limit right here, like I mean, you're trying to be responsible and have your limit right here, where I mean, at the bottom of this trend line, you know, the bulls might come back in and buy. We might get a retest of 244, 245 because that's been that level for a long time. Uh, Man, if you see a couple of these candles like this and it misses your limit by a couple of points or ticks, I mean, you highly likely to chase that damn thing, right? Just for it to come right back to your level and then potentially do that. And if you're in high, I mean, either you're going to eat the drawdown or you're going to get stopped out. Oh, speaking of Ninja, for those interested, Ninja Trader 8 is having a trading competition. We spoke about that last night. They're having a trading competition. It starts in the next 5 days. So if you go to their website, if you have a Ninja Trader brokerage, or if you have Ninja Trader as your brokerage, it's free to enter, and they're giving you $25,000 of margin. Yeah, it's crazy. Smith told me about it last night, and the only reason why he found out about it because it was an ad on Instagram. They didn't even promote that shit because if Smith kept it to himself, I wouldn't even know. They wouldn't be like, hold up, Ninja Trader 8 is having a competition? So depending on, I mean, that's next week, I think. That's next week. So it starts on the 23rd. It ends. So it starts Sunday and it ends on Friday. So next week, I may just focus on that account and run that shit up. All right. Let's see what happens here. So we're at the bottom of this trend line. We pulled back to a previous area that could potentially now be support. We'll see if the bulls are going to hold it here. We'll see. I mean, I got another funded account, so I'm happy about that. I passed a funded, so I'm happy about that. Um, all right. All right. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. All right, we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. We'll see. Because depending on what happens for the rest of the day is going to dictate what happens for the rest of the week, in my opinion. Because, I mean, shit, we're knocking at all-time highs door right now. We're almost there. We're almost there. I mean, unless they want to hold that high at 320. Probably like 325. I'm going to look for... So, I mean, we'll talk about this later on tonight. But I'm going to look for... I mean, shit, they actually might do it. I mean... Look at this head and shoulders pattern right here on the higher time frame. They actually we might see it tomorrow, or probably Friday, tomorrow. We got a head and shoulders pattern. Head, left, right shoulder at a previous area of support. I mean, we might see that tomorrow. Hmm. I mean, so we got a high at 320. We got a high at 291. So for those, if so I looked at the NA meeting today, and I don't know what the hell happened. I don't know how it was out of sync. I don't know. I don't know how the hell that happened. But we called the top on it again, baby. I was looking at an area between about 270 and 300. That was the area I was looking for the Bears to step back up in the NA meeting last night, and I'm happy to see that they did. And that's why I was kind of upset, because obviously this happened overnight when I went to sleep. And when given the opportunity to get into it again short, I did not take it because I did not trust it. But I'm gonna kind of make it a point to pay attention to that. I really don't know how the hell that happened or why it even happened. I didn't do anything differently than I would normally would. All right, so what's the prize? Money. I think like the top five. Actually, let's pull that up, and then we'll be done with the stream because it's almost at that 10:30 mark anyway. It's called Ninja Trader Arena. Actually, let me make sure that I'm not putting sensitive information on the screen real quick. Give me 1 second. All right. Okay, so this is their it starts in 4 days, so you still have time to sign up for it. It's going to be 5 days from the 23rd, which is Sunday at 5 p.m. to Friday at its close. The grand prize is $3,000. Your beginning balance is $25,000. So far, there's only 400 participants. And your maximum trading size will be 5 contracts, which honestly, that's more than enough. We do damage with 5 contracts. Damage. So next week, I'll probably focus on playing this competition next week. I'll do that next week. I won't trade in my accounts. I'll trade in this account. But we definitely need a plan. We definitely need a plan. He says these simulated accounts must maintain a margin sufficient to meet the NinjaTrader margin requirements to continue placing trades during the competition. Liquidation of trades may occur if a position trade margin increases or market movement results in an under margin account status. Finally, leaderboard standings and prize payouts will be based on the total P&L and participants' simulated accounts at the time the competition ends. All right. Again, wait. So you gonna join it? You gonna join? Hmm. Yeah, you get kind of tired of that shit though. But all right, guys. That's it for me today. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this meeting. Um, Today was definitely tough. I will say that it was definitely tough. I just had a feeling that the Bears was just not going to touch this range because that would be devastating for Bulls. If Price were to re-enter this range, it would have been devastating. It would have been hard to regain momentum if Price came under this range because we would see a stop run at least to about 2230, 22K at least. It can go further than that. It would have been nasty. We could have seen a move. We probably wouldn't have found support until about 2190 or 980, somewhere in this area, if it didn't find support at 22K. It could have got real nasty. And if they didn't break this thing yesterday, they ain't gonna break it today. Not, excuse me, not before they make an attempt of all-time highs. The Bulls got to keep their, they have to hold 102. They have to hold this, or it's going to get nasty. So, but this is what I do think will happen. I don't think we touch all-time highs. I do think that we get close. I think we'll probably get to 400, maybe 405, somewhere in that area. Somewhere close to 400, maybe 420. I mean, why not 420, right? But I think all-time highs is going to be the bait, and then they're going to switch it. That's what I think. But it doesn't matter what I think though. It's what the market does. So we'll just play it day by day. And then with that said, everybody, peace out, everybody. Peace.